Hello there, we just want to talk you through one of our new bottle assemblies, which is an easy fill solution when using with refillable cartridges, CIS systems, etc. Basically, there's three components to the bottle: the top, a seal, and an easy pour seal at that, and the bottle. When you receive it, you'll receive it full of ink with the sealing component placed in. And if you can see at the bottom there's a nipple right at the bottom of the cap that makes for a really good seal. So that's how you'll receive that. So without further ado, let's just very quickly show you how simple it is to fill a refillable cartridge with this bottle. Basically, you would take off your cap, you would take off the bung out of the refillable cartridge, you would offer up the cartridge and the bottle and insert that in, and holding the cartridge at 45 degrees just gently pulse some ink in there. Now, for goodness sake, make sure you do this over a sink. 9 times out of 10 it'll work right, but if it goes wrong, my god, you're going to have a mess. And I don't know if you can see that there, just filling. And you may also see there's a very small air pocket. Okay, so we've got enough ink in. So all we would do is gently just twist that out like this. Place in the stopper, fill stopper, like this. And I don't know if you can see that air pocket there. Just give it a little shake. And there you go. That's good to go. And that's how you use our bottles to fill a cartridge, refillable, and that's how easy it is to do it. Now, whilst I've got the opportunity, I just want to show you something else. There is also an additional hole in the refillable cartridge here. And this is where you want air to circulate through the cartridge. If that hole is blocked for any reason whatsoever, you're going to create a vacuum and no ink is going to come out. Now, we've been shipping cartridges without this bung, with the hole open, in order to avoid people leaving it in. We had a nightmare when we first introduced refillable cartridges, with people leaving it in and ringing us and telling us that the printer doesn't work. So we had left that open. What we've done lately, we've found there is an advantage in reducing this hole size. This hole size is 4mm. Yes? And what we've started to do now is, if you take a look at the bung that comes with the cartridge, you'll see there's a hole part way through, and you'll see at the other end it's blank. All we do is take a pair of scissors and you chop a small amount off until such times as you get the hole. I don't know if you can see, yeah, yes you can, running all the way through that. Then you bob that back in like that, like such, and we find that that gives better air control on the refillable cartridges and avoids blobbing whilst you're printing. And that the blobbing's only occasional, but this does prevent it. And on some of the A3 machines that we use these cartridges on, it is actually necessary. So there you go. I hope that's helped, and thank you very much.